Hi everyone. First, I'd like to thank you for tuning into the video. If you are, obviously you're interested in at least finding out a little bit more information on the second Lunch and Learn in the Fitness and Nutrition Lifestyle Series, Lunch and Learn. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it. And yes, I am in my basement. And I'll explain a little bit more why as we proceed through the video. Hopefully you got some great content from the last Lunch and Learn, no matter how far or near that has been. In the second one, we're going to dig in a little bit deeper on some of the topics we talked about, but also get a little bit more personal as to, okay, what's the goal and why? Why do you want to hit it? For me, I brought you into my basement because this is personal. This is where I work out. This is where I start my week on Monday morning. This is how I get it. This is how I get it started. A workout down here in the basement. That's not a result. That's not a goal. It's part of my process. Part of a step toward my why. So for me, this place is personal. It drives me to where I want to go. So that's why we're here. 4 things we're going to hit on a little bit more. At least 3 things we're going to hit on more in depth. The 4th we're going to hit on as much as we can depending on time. First is defining our target or our goal, and then defining that reason why. Again, the target or the goal necessarily is not the overarching reason on why we're doing what we're doing. It's a result, but it's not the driver. That's why we want to attach that underlying why to where we're going. Second, we're going to dig into the fitness programming a little bit more. We dug into fitness, we talked about fitness last time, but we'll actually dissect a case study or two and look at the programming. Okay, what did they do? How did they do it? Why did they do it? Why was that exercise prescription correct for their specific goal? And we'll dig into that prescription a little bit and look at a case study so we can break it down into the little steps that in the long run give the long-term results with consistency. An exercise program isn't prescribed for you're sick and you go and get a prescription, you don't stop it. An exercise program keeps going. You have that. It's long term. It may change, it may look different, it may evolve as you make progress, but that exercise prescription will always be there. You always have to take it. Nutrition, we'll dig into nutrition a little bit more. There's so many fads out there, so many trends. We'll get past the trends, we'll get past the fads, we'll dig into a little bit more of, the last time we talked about body type nutrition, eating for your body type a little bit, we'll dig into that a little bit more. And again, dissect a case study. Okay, what did the plan look like? Why did it look like this for this specific goal? The end goal for this Lunch and Learn is to give you even more specific tools to start implementing for your own fitness and nutrition program. Again, depending on your why and what that goal is going to be within the why. 4th, we're going to get on habits. Without consistency, without habits, there is no goal. Without consistency, without habits, there is no process. Whether it's a business goal, whether it's a nutrition goal, whether it's a fitness goal, it doesn't matter. Consistency within your fitness and nutrition and your habits are the groundwork for hitting the goal. Your why is your driver. Your why is your reason why. So we're going to dig into habits, dig into the mindset, dig into the limiting beliefs and the things that we tell ourselves on why we can't do it, why we shouldn't do it, or how we don't have time, or how we can't do it. So we're going to dig into those habits and limiting beliefs a little bit more. So thank you again for your time. I look forward to seeing you for this second Lunch and Learn. It's going to be fun. It's going to be awesome. We're going to go over great information, trade some stories, answer questions, eat a good lunch. Thank you for meeting me here in my basement, in some of my personal space where this is where some of my habits, some of my action steps take place on how I get my week started and focused. Again, thank you for your time. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you soon.